Oh, hi. What can I get you today? Just the usual? Did you have a nice break? Oh, good. I mean, yeah, mine was good as well. It was quiet, it was chill. It's strange though, since coming back from the break, I've been finding it difficult to do this, to remember what I used to want to share and tell people on here. I forgot what it is that's so spectacular about my ordinary life that I thought it was important to share with other people, you know? Sorry, I know no one likes a barista who overshares. Anyway, here's your coffee. I missed you guys, my Shaylas! I'm back! Later than I hoped, but better late than never. I hope you guys had a lovely New Year, Christmas break. I hoped to post a video earlier into the year than I have. But yeah, it's strange, after a break, I feel like I've forgotten what I used to make these little videos about, because I'm just like, my life is so boring, like what is there to share? So this video is just dedicated to myself and is my way of reminding myself of all the little things that I maybe take for granted that make my life so beautiful and spectacular. So this is a video to remind myself that there is so much magnificence in the insignificant. I hope you enjoy. Welcome back. Happy 2025. Let's make our dreams come true!
No, I'm split in two. Part of me loves the world and the other loves you. So what do? I wanna be safe, but I gotta stay cool too. And no, I'm not a fool. I know eventually I'm gonna have.
I've got some tea with me because my voice is feeling like a little croaky, so I'm just trying to get it warmed up the best I can.
I just can't serve two masters. And before something happens, I gotta turn it all around, because I know I can't just have my cake and eat it too. Cause it's real easy to stay on the fence and still do you. And it'd be cool if we could love the Lord and still go do our thing. But see, it doesn't work like that.
Until 2021, NGOs were the most trusted institution. NGOs were the most trusted institution.
You just don't compromise. See, it's a matter of death and life. Be weak and do wrong, or be strong and do
Oops, that's my only defining feature.
Yeah, your tits aren't out, you're hiding them, being demure for what?
No, you cannot.
Would you be pissed if
I'm posting, I don't give a heck what she says.
Okay, so to you. Oh, you look so cute. Can't see, so I'm gonna take your word for it. When does the bell go?
Hello and welcome to 2025. Happy New Year. Ignore the Christmas decorations that are still up, mind your business. I'm so excited for a new year. I just decided to pick up the camera because long time no video and there's no time to start like the first day of the year, as all good things should start, as I believe. Let's start it in prayer, shall we? So if we may join hands, let's just pray for blessings and goodness and safety and learning and just growth and development over the new year, shall we? Hold my hand, will you, darling? Okay, let's pray. Lord, we just thank you so much that we are able to see a new year. I thank you for the way you've blessed and kept not only me, but my friends and family, the people that I hold closest and dearest to me. I thank you that you've kept them in good health, that you've kept them in high spirits, even when trials and tribulations have occurred. You've never strayed far from them. Lord, I just pray that you were able to do the same this year. Please keep the people that we love and hold dear safe, keep them in good health, keep them in high spirits, keep them with a hunger to draw closer to you. And for those that maybe do not know you, Lord, I pray that you would continue to pursue them and help them see your glory, that they might grow a new reverence for you, a new awe for you, that turns them to see that they are image bearers of Christ. Lord, I just pray that you would raise up nations this year, that many people would come to know you, Lord. I pray, Lord, that this year you might bless me in the gifts that you have given me. Show me how to utilize them, Lord, especially with this acting career. I just pray that you would help me achieve the goals that I've set out for 2025, to book a film role, to book a TV series, and to be able to write and put on a play that I am proud of, Lord, and that also glorifies and exalts your name, Lord. I just thank you so much that I have a love still for life, despite all the things that you know that I have endured. You have continued to carry me through. I thank you that I am able to breathe another breath every single minute. It's a miracle, Lord, for if the world knew the things that you have brought me through, they would see that every second, every minute, every hour, every week, every year that I'm still here and able to live as an image bearer of you is a miracle, Lord. I just pray that you would continue to help me grow closer to you, help me to continue having a conviction to purify my heart and grow in my likeness to you, Lord. I love you so much and cherish you so deeply, Lord. Help me to grow in that love for you. Every year I want to be so astonished at how much more I know about you, how much more I understand about you, and how much more my love for you continues to grow, Lord. That is the great prayer of my life, Lord, to have a heart that is more like yours. Help my heart be pure, help my heart be kind, help my heart be patient, help my heart be understanding, help my heart be creative, Lord, because the first thing that you did, Lord, was to create, and I want to grow in my likeness to you. So help me be a creative mind, Lord, a person who is drawn to action, to create things that exalt and glorify your name. That is the great prayer of my life, Lord. I just thank you so much, and just worship and praise you, Lord, and just I want to shout it to the heavens how deeply I love you, Lord. And the immense amount of gratitude that I have for the way that you continue to bless me. I pray that you would open my eyes to even the ways that I've maybe been ignorant, to the ways that you have blessed me and kept me. Help me to see your glory in all things, Lord. Lord, I ask for forgiveness in all the things, in all the ways that I have misstepped, been cruel or sinned, Lord. Help me also open my eyes to ways that I have done wrong, and maybe I'm completely even unaware that I have done wrong. Show me where I have hurt people. Show me where I have misspoken, Lord. Help me to use my tongue in a wiser way. Help me with this YouTube channel as it reaches more people, Lord, that I speak with a mind and a tongue that does not hurt or tarnish anyone, Lord, but uplifts people, teaches them something, draws them closer to truth, Lord. I thank you so much, Lord. And just I surrender everything despite all my desires for my life and the ways that I might be hungry, and I pray that I do not fall to the trap of idolizing the great ambitions that I have in my life. Help me and guide me in that. But I just pray that though I ask for your blessing in all these things that I'm seeking to do in 2025, ultimately I surrender it all to you and know that it is your will that will be done, Lord. I thank you so much, Lord, and I love you so much. And I thank you for all the ways that you continue to bless me, the way you continue to keep me, the way you continue to bless and keep the people I love, and even the wider circle outside of me, Lord. I love you dearly. And I'll see you in the next prayer, my guy. Okay, amen. No better way to start the year than in prayer. I don't know what this video is going to be, but let's get into it. Hello, you guys. In 2025, we are taking no prisoners. I am currently just doing some work on my laptop, and I don't know if you guys remember or watched ages ago, I think in 2023, in about like the first year that I was here living in London, I went to this event called the Actors Pro Expo. The thumbnail of the video looks like this if you want to go watch it. And I gained so much from that event, and I'm definitely going to go again. But I just thought to myself, like, in the spirit of wanting to be bold, and like my word for the year is the word transformation, and just wanting to step more into like the person I've always dreamed of myself to be. I just thought like the highest version of Takunda wants to make the most of going to this event again. So I thought, why not let me email the Actors Pro Expo people and just like ask them if it would be possible that they would, like as sort of like a paid collaboration thing, if they would want to, in exchange for giving me a VIP ticket to the event, I would post some content on TikTok and YouTube about my experiences going to the event and hopefully like some promotional stuff. It's giving brand deal. I don't know. I just kind of want to try expand my skill set and just try and see. I think you guys who've been following me have been noticing I've been trying to like post more and sort of get better at promoting myself and putting myself out there as an actor. So I think this is going to be like a challenging thing for me to do. So I'm just writing up the pitch right now. I think I've basically finished it and I'm going to send it off. But yeah, wish me luck, and who knows, maybe by, I don't know, next week when they get back to me, I'll have my first little brand deal, which will be super cool because I know it's an event that I love and benefited so much for, and I make most of the videos on this channel and videos on my TikTok for people like me who are also aspiring actors. So I would love to just promote something like this because the first time that I went, it was literally like so invaluable to me and I gained so much from it. So yeah, I'm gonna finish typing up this email. I've never written a pitch before, but I think I'm pretty proud of what I've got so far. So just like keep me in your prayers, and let's just hope that something comes out of this. And if it doesn't, me working on this email and just like working the muscle of writing in this style, I think is good anyway, and that's something gained. So yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just at work and it's been quiet, so I just thought I would start working on some life admin stuff. And I checked my email inbox and I got a reply from the Actors Pro Expo people that I had emailed, and they've just gotten back to me and said yes, they would love to do that. So God is so good. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my days, I can't believe this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, but I'm a bit nervous now. I'm like, oh, I have to really bring out the inner content creator within me and figure out what videos I want to make. But this is really exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a customer. I'll talk to you in a bit. Yep.
3 reasons why you need to be at the Actors Expo.
You're so cute.
Imagine your brother is even doing music video over there.
No,
The girls aren't playing for real.
Well, so technically AM Priscilla and I are doing the same brand collab, working with the same brand at the moment, which is super exciting. This year we chose to really stand on business. I love AM Priscilla because she does not let me play around. She does not let me be a bum, be a sluggard.
No, we said this looks really good. Okay, now I'm gonna go to photos. Okay. Oh yeah, this is cute. Oh, this looks so cool.
Wait, let me show them.
No.
What alpha top?
God, this looks so good.
So she's filming one of the TikToks she needs to post for it. So I'm just gonna help her film that for a bit.
But you need to be at the Actors Expo.
Cute. You're so cute. You guys will be able to say that you saw us from the beginning, before we blew up, before we went big, before full-time content creator, movie extraordinaires. You saw us from the beginning.
You saw us hustling. Oh my God.
We're just at a cafe. And Priscilla and I are actually playing with time because right now we're meant to be at NYT.
Like, oh,
You're my sister.
I know, literally the love of my life.
We're playing with time because we're literally meant to be at a training at NYT in like 5 minutes, but here we are
5 minutes ago.
But here we are, cups full of matcha and about to eat some food as well. It's so silly. We're so silly.
Oh my gosh. Period. Oh, actually should. Star.
We're at NYT for our ambassador training. And Priscilla and I were very late. Look at this girl, honestly. If I could tell you about the week that I've had, like this week has been sent straight from the pits of hell. This week has been nothing short of hellish. I can't even say the weapons formed against me are prospering. They have prospered. I have been overcome. My name is Takunda, which means we have overcome, but I have been overcome. The devil is working overtime, employee of the month, CEO actually, and I'm cooked. Like you know when you're just having one of those weeks that's just like, will I ever feel joy ever again? Like I literally don't know what to do. But I have to serve coffees and be at work and smile when all I want to do is curl up in a ball, stay in my bed and cry. And on top of that, after work, I have a poetry performance, which there's no fiber in my body right now that wants to go. I wish I could pull out last minute and be like, sorry, actually having a minty bee, can't do it. But I have to go and pretend that I love life and love to perform. And when I don't at the moment, there's no fiber in my body that wants to do it, but I have to do it. I just hope that if there's a future me that can watch this video and know all the stuff that I've had to like be dealing with this week. And Taekwondo of the future, did we make it through? Did it go okay? Like, did we survive? Because you know when it's like, I've already been through things in my life where I was like, no, there is no life experience, there's no situation or anything that can happen that could be worse than that. And then when you encounter another obstacle in your life that is worse than like your, what do you call it, your like major part of your law, and like I'm now entering another, this is going to be like a very critical, I feel like this is going to be a very critical part of my law now. It's just like changed me spiritually, mentally, emotionally in ways that like I wish it didn't. And this is so annoying to not be able to say what it is because it's like personal stuff, but yeah, oh my gosh, like Taekwondo of the future, did we make it through, babe? I need to know that we survived this. I need to know that it doesn't get worse as well because I could not take it.
Okay, it is a few hours later now. I finished work, went home, got ready, and now I'm on my way to the poetry event. I still do not feel great, but I'm trying to like uplift myself and just like do my best to have a good time when I'm there, and think of all the good things that will come from it, because it's like there'll be music, and music always gets me in a good mood, and it's just nice to see other people performing poetry because it gives you inspiration. And I don't know, maybe will get me out of the like emotional place that I am, because there'll be some really great poets performing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna continue walking to the station, and as I walk I'm just gonna try run through 2 of the poems that I'm not feeling like 100% confident in terms of memorization, but hopefully by the time the event starts it'll be locked in.
Collaboration, wonderful stuff. How was it? Did you have a nice afternoon? Have a nice afternoon. Wonderful. Did you have a good afternoon? Okay, and guitar. He's been flicking it around all night. I mean the guitar. Give it up, man.
Just finished my set, which went so well. It went so much better than I thought it would. I'd been stressing about this performance for quite a while because I was performing with like a band that was doing improv, and I don't know, that was just stressing me out. But it went like better than I ever could have imagined. I had so much fun, and I feel like my mood for the week has just done a 180. But for the moment I'm feeling in such like higher spirits, so I just thank God for that I was able to experience this little moment of relief in the week. Yeah, I'm gonna go back out there and watch the next headlining poet. There's one more headline poet left. But yeah, in the background you guys can hear the band, so I'm gonna go and dance and make sure I don't miss out.
The next station is Paddington.